Hello everyone, I am Miss Joy. Welcome to our story time. Today, we are visiting Timmy. Timmy is a happy boy who loves to draw. He is sitting at his small table. He has white paper and a box of crayons. Timmy is drawing a big apple tree. Look at my drawing. The leaves are green and the trunk is brown. But wait, the apples are white. Apples are not red. I need my red crayon to finish my picture. Timmy looks inside his crayon box. He sees a blue crayon, a yellow crayon, and a green crayon. But the red crayon is not there. Where is my red crayon? I need it for my apples. It is not in the box. Where can it be? Timmy is worried. His favorite color is missing. Can you help Timmy find the red crayon? Let's look together. First, let's look under the furniture. I will look under the chair. No, it is not here. I see a blue toy car and a puzzle piece. The red crayon is not under the chair. Is the red crayon on the table? I am looking on the table now. I see my pencil and my eraser, but I do not see a red crayon. It is not on the table. This is a mystery. Maybe it is hiding. Let's look near the window. There is a yellow curtain by the window. Is it behind the curtain? Timmy pulls the curtain back slowly. Shh! It is Fluffy the cat. She is sleeping behind the curtain. Hello, Fluffy. But there is no red crayon here. It is not under the chair, on the table, or behind the curtain. Timmy, look in your bag. My green backpack. Let's see. Is it in the backpack? I found something red. Is this the crayon? No, this is my red apple. It is a fruit. I cannot use it to color my paper. You are right. Let's look on the rug. Look! Here comes my dog, Bingo. Bingo, do you have my crayon? Bingo stops on the rug. He drops something small and red. Look, Bingo found it. The red crayon was on the rug. Hooray! Good dog, Bingo. Now Timmy has his color back. Thank you, Bingo. Now I can finish my tree. I am coloring the apples red. 1 red apple, 2 red apples, 3 red apples. Now my tree is perfect. Great job, Timmy. Now let's practice our words. Repeat after me. Red crayon. Under the chair. On the table. Behind the curtain. In the backpack. Learning English is fun. And remember, friends, always help each other and be kind to your pets. Just like Bingo helped Timmy find his crayon, we can all be helpful. It makes everyone happy when we work together and show kindness. Now, let's sing a song about friendship and sharing. It goes like this. Sharing is caring. Friends always there, helping each other, showing we care. Let's sing it together one more time, louder and with big smiles. Sharing is caring. Friends always there, helping each other, showing we care. Wonderful! You all sang so beautifully. Remember to always share and help your friends, just like Timmy and Bingo. That's all for today's story time. See you next time with more fun stories. Remember, a little kindness goes a long way in making the world brighter. And always be thankful for your friends and family who care for you. Now, let's all give a big round of applause for Timmy and Bingo. They showed us the importance of helping each other and being kind. And remember, Every little act of kindness can make a big difference. So go out there and spread some joy and happiness wherever you go. Thank you all for joining me today. And I can't wait to see you again soon. Keep reading, keep learning, and keep being amazing. Goodbye for now, and have a wonderful day filled with joy and laughter.
Please like and subscribe to my channel.